In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it when your Fire Stick remote isn't working and you're seeing a flashing light up at the very top, whether it's blue, red, orange, white, or yellow. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you're going to want to put the remote into troubleshoot mode. To do this, press the rewind button and hold it down and press the right button at the exact same time for about 3 seconds. After that, go ahead and release both of those buttons at the exact same time and then press the menu button. You should now see a green light up at the very top of your remote. That means that your remote is now in troubleshoot mode. From here, press any button on the remote. The color that flashes will tell you what's wrong. If it's flashing blue, white, or orange, what you're going to want to do is turn off your TV and unplug both your Fire Stick and TV from the wall for about 60 seconds. This is called a power cycle, and it's going to fix most of your pairing problems. But essentially, plug both back in, turn the TV back on, and if you see a message saying that your remote can't connect, don't worry, that's normal. Just press and hold down on the home button for about 15 seconds. If it didn't connect again, try spam pressing the home button until you see the blue flashing light. That means your remote is paired successfully. If your remote has a slow blinking red light, that just means the batteries are low. I would recommend replacing them with some fresh AAA alkaline batteries and then press and hold down on the remote again or spam press the home button until the blue pairing light shows back up. If it's flashing red fast, you're going to have to reset the remote. So unplug your Fire Stick and TV first and then press and hold down on the menu button, the back button, and the left button all together for about 12 to 15 seconds. Then release those buttons, remove the batteries from the remote, and plug your Fire Stick and TV back into the power. From here, put the batteries back into your remote and press and hold down on that home button for about 15 seconds. If it doesn't connect right away, try spam pressing that home button again until you see that blue flashing light, and you're good to go. But that is how you could fix a Fire Stick remote that isn't working with flashing lights up at the very top. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.